Alright, it's recording. Okay. Today I'm in vrchat test pilots, and I'm going... I'm gonna try to get 3,000 miles per hour on a jet. I'm not gonna like this. I'm still gonna try, because it's gonna be fun. Alright. Right now I'm only going 6 miles per hour. I'm going slow so that I can take off. That's the only reason. Alright. Stop. Alright. Flight limit is off. Flaps are off. So basically everything right here needs to be turned off except for the engine. The engine's the only thing that should be on, and then you can really go at like the speed of light, is what I've heard. Alright. Gear is down, of course. Okay, I'm at 1,400. I have to get to 3,000. 1,600. 1,700. 1,800. 2,200. Dude, this is actually bugging my game so much. Look at how fast we're going. And we're not even at 3,000 yet. Look at my jet. Alright, 2,500. I'm gonna put my smoke on. 2,600. 2,700. Alright, I'm gonna go down a little. Alright. 2,900, I'm so close. Alright, I'm at 3,000, I'm at 3,000, I'm at 3,000, bro. Look, I'm at 3,000. There's no way. Oh my god, I'm at 3,000. There's no way I'm at 3,000. That's crazy. Alright, well, now I'm gonna crash into the floor.
I'm gonna fly some planes into a couple buildings in Manhattan.